Hello, this is Crandall, and in this short video, we're going to talk a little bit about small business loans and online business loans that you can get even if you have bad credit. So there's actually a lot of small business loans you can find online even if you have challenge credit now. Now, the key to approval is that you have to have some type of strength for your business or personally to offset the actual credit issues. Now, lenders really call this a compensating factor, a good point that compensates for your credit issues and still makes you lendable. Now, one compensating factor you can have to overcome credit issues when getting a business loan is having consistent revenue. When you have consistent revenue, meaning revenue is consistently coming into your business, consistent deposits, which means you have a lot of deposits regularly going into your bank account, when you have revenue that increases from month to month. So your bank statements or your tax returns even from year to year show an increasing amount of money coming in. And when you manage your bank account well, then you're lendable. You can then secure a cash flow financing loan quickly, even with credit scores down to 500. Now, usually with these kind of loans, you can get money within 72 hours. Now, rates are going to be high, much higher than conventional loans. They could be as high as 25 or even 45%, depending on your overall risk. But what happens is as you prove yourself and you get a few months into these loans, then they typically offer you a renewal, which means they give you more money at better terms. And in the end, the only way that you end up paying 25-45% was if you didn't renew and you stayed in that original loan the whole time. Otherwise, you don't end up paying but even half of that rate, and you can still get into these kind of loans for 8 to 15% total money because you're renewing every 3 to 6 months and getting more money. Now, this type of financing only makes sense if you are using the money to grow, as a large part of your cash flow will not go out or will go out to pay back the loan. So what this means is this is not the kind of loan you get just to have money laying around. This is the kind of money you get to make a move that will help your business grow immediately. This is the kind of money you use to reinvest into your business, to market, to advertise, to expand, to buy a new franchise, to be able to make a move that will help your business instantly start making more money, hopefully more money than the actual cash, the loan payments that are going back out. Now, another great funding option for you even with credit issues is collateral-based financing or asset-based financing. With this type of financing, you can get rates of 1 to 5%, even with a 350 credit score. Your credit really doesn't matter at all with this kind of financing. 401k, stocks, inventory, equipment, account receivables, all of these types of things can work as collateral for asset-based lending. Now, business credit is a must for any business owner, especially with credit issues. So when you build your EIN credit, that can be used to qualify you instead of your consumer credit or even offset your consumer credit. So what most people don't know is that lenders in the business space do look at your business credit. And if you have a really good business credit profile and score, that in a lot of cases overcomes the fact that you have personal issues and you'll still get approved. So it's very important. In a lot of cases, they'll only look at your business credit, not your consumer credit, to get approved. Plus, you can use this business credit to get large credit lines like $5,000-$10,000 credit cards or even higher and get in multiples. So this means you can get within 6 months 3 or 4 of these kind of credit cards with $5,000 or $10,000 limits where they don't even look at your personal credit for approval. And you can grow those limits to easily 15, 20,000 or more within a year or less. And you can also get high limit store credit cards. Dell, Apple, Best Buy, Chevron, BP, all of this is available for business credit. What's beautiful about business credit is not only does it help your chance of getting approved for loans, but as I'm telling you now, the other benefit is that you can get credit, large amounts of credit that you can use to help grow your business regardless of your personal credit quality now. So hopefully this gives you some good information about small and online business loans that you can get even if you have bad credit. If you got some good valuable content, make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe to our channel where we have hour-long videos that dive really in depth into grants, loans, credit lines, all types of financing you can get, unsecured and secured, even if you have credit issues. And make sure you click on this video because we always give you access to a cool, quick resource that will also help in your quest to get money for your business. So again, this is Crandall. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this short video.